It's 2026, and you could hand an AI agent the keys to your crypto wallet. Please, don't. The safest crypto AI agents built today all share one trait. They're deliberately limited. They read, they reason, they prepare a transaction, but they never sign on their own. Here's how to build one, step by step. First, what even is a crypto AI agent? A trading bot follows fixed if-then rules. A chatbot just answers in text. An agent sits between them. It observes live blockchain data, reasons about it with a language model, and prepares actions that a human approves. There are 3 levels of autonomy. Read-only, it looks, it explains, it touches nothing. Approval-based, it drafts a transaction and you sign it. And fully autonomous, it acts alone. Start at the bottom. Earn autonomy slowly. Setup is simple. Python 3.11 or newer, Node 20 or newer. Create clean folders, app, tools, prompts, tests. Install Web3, pydantic, and FastAPI. Then run a 2-line block number check before you write a single line of agent logic. Every solid agent runs the same loop. Observe, reason, act, verify, log. It pulls fresh data, asks the model what to do, prepares the action, simulates it, and records everything. Skip the verify step, and a confident model will sign a confident mistake. Connect your data through an RPC provider, Alchemy, Infura, or QuickNode. But never dump a raw 200-field API response straight into the prompt. Normalize it. Validate it. Because bad data leads to confident, bad decisions. Now the brain. Give the model typed tool schemas, not free rein. This is the permissioned tool fence. The model can ask to do something, but the tool decides whether the request is even valid. The model is never your last line of defense. This next rule matters most. Private keys never touch a prompt, a log, a screenshot, or a commit. Never paste a seed phrase into a chat tool or an AI coding assistant. And if a key ever hits a public commit, rotate it and abandon the wallet. Wire it all together behind one endpoint, post/agent/chat. Then build a confirmation screen that shows the human exactly what they're signing: the contract, the amount, the risk. Visibility is the feature, not an afterthought. Now test like an attacker. 42 cases minimum. Wallet reads, tool schemas, transaction simulations, and 7 prompt injection cases. Send it hostile messages, like ignore previous instructions, and watch it refuse. Simulate gas spikes. Simulate price feed drift. Before you ship, run the vast 7 checklist. Verify key handling. Address prompt injection. Simulate every transaction. Set allowance limits. Track data freshness. Validate gas estimates. And log absolutely everything. Then deploy where it fits: a managed function, a container, a plain VPS, or decentralized compute. Enforce spending caps in code, not in vibes. Flag anything over half an ETH for human review. Keep audit logs. Build a rollback switch. So here's the secret. The safest agent is the one that refuses clearly. Start with a read-only portfolio explainer on a testnet. Read first, simulate second, approve third. Earn autonomy slowly, and you'll build something you can actually trust.